Back for day 3 of making better presentations. There are a few things you can manipulate with images. So just insert an image. There's a few ways to do it. There's shortcuts or from the insert menu. You can choose an image lots of different ways in Google. You can take this, once you have an image in, you can crop it. You could use this tool up here also to mask. You can turn any picture into the shapes, the same shapes you see in Draw. You could insert an image and take a snapshot. Make sure you hit allow if you want to take a picture. By URL, your albums, or if you save things to your Google Drive, you can get the pictures that way. This is photos from the internet that are free to reuse. As far as video goes, most people know how to add it, but you can search YouTube or put in a YouTube URL, or if you have any videos saved to your drive, you can insert those as well. You could insert charts. There's bar charts, column charts, pie graphs. Once you put it in, you can manipulate it by clicking it and going, it's all in spreadsheets, and then you have to hit update at the end. You can change the colors of these charts. Say you want to insert a table to be more clear about what that chart says. So there's a few ways to insert a table. And, just copy and paste this data. Command C is copy, or Control C is copy on your Chromebook, and Control V is the shortcut for paste. You can insert lots of different shapes to decorate your slides if you would like. This is how people make templates for Google Slides, actually. You can work with the transparency of the shapes. You can spin the shapes around. You can rotate them. There's lots of custom colors built in. You could use shapes to make a mind map. You use the lines. Once you click the line and you hover over any of the shapes, you'll notice the little blue dots, and you can connect shapes to each other. It's a pretty fast way to make a mind map. You could also go to a mind map tool and then take a screenshot. You could change the size of lines. You could change the way the lines look. You can change the arrows. The last few things I want to show you, on a slide like this, say you're using a template, this is a background image. So you can, if you click on the image or on the slide over here to the left and you click background and you see image, you can choose your image the same way that you choose any image when you insert a picture. So if you want a background picture to take up the whole space, that's how you would do it. Also, when you're working on a template, there are lots of images built in. So what I'm going to do is, it's called a right click. It's a control click, I believe, on your Chromebooks. And when I control and click a picture, I can hit replace image. And there's lots of ways that I could do that. And that way it will hold the same exact shape and stay exactly where it is if I just replace the image on my template. And the last thing is, say I have an image and I want to put some text over it, but we know that this makes it really hard to see, but we really, really want this, or it makes sense on one of our slides. If you click the image and look up here, it says format options. So when you click format options, you can actually change the coloring. So say we want to make it a little lighter. We can adjust the transparency of it. So that changes, I don't know why it's turning pink, but that will help you. If you change the transparency, you can now see things more easily on top of it. And finally, if you control click on anything, you can also change the order. So order, you want to bring it to front or send it to back. And all of those things will help you out greatly when you're using a template. Good luck, and remember, YouTube is your friend.